In the theatre of modern geopolitics, perception often competes with reality, but rarely has the gap appeared to be this theatrical. After a series of diplomatic setbacks and strategic embarrassments, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi government now seems eager to recast the script by staging what it portrays as a historical embrace with Washington. The carefully choreographed access reportedly granted to American officials to sensitive military facilities is being marketed domestically as a diplomatic masterstroke. Critics, however, call it something closer to strategic overcompensation. India's much publicized balancing act, buying discounted Russian oil while simultaneously courting the United States, has strained relations with Washington. Add to this tariff tensions and an underwhelming global response to high-profile international summits, and the chill in bilateral chemistry becomes harder to spin. Yet, instead of recalibrating policy substance, the government appears to have chosen optics: amplify a visit, elevate a photo op, and declare a geopolitical truth. The ever-enthusiastic Godi media has risen to the occasions, packaging routine diplomatic engagement as approach-making validation. But symbolism, it cannot substitute for structural strength. If access to strategic sites become a public relation tool, questions of sovereignty and strategic autonomy, they naturally follow. Foreign policy, after all, is not a reality show where applause determines success. It demands consistency, credibility, and leverage. When headlines they grow louder than outcomes and the gestures they overshadow the strategy, observers they begin to wonder whether the performance is meant to reassure allies or merely distract domestic audience. In geopolitics, desperation it often massacres its confidence. The real test is not who gets the photo opportunity, but who controls the narrative and what long-term can cost.